Uh, what advice, Rajiv, would you give a leader of tomorrow, possibly your son?
See, I'll share with you some thoughts of the polymath Vaclav Smil, because they resonate deeply with me. And since so many people are on their phones, they're obviously not enjoying our session. So if I say something clever now, they will look up from their phones and listen to us. So these are 5 things that Vaclav Smil said, which I tell my people, and maybe through this, my son is also going to listen to it. Because otherwise, sons don't easily listen to what fathers have to say. So 5 simple thoughts of wisdom, I think. The first thing he said is read widely and with maximum curiosity. For example, people think I'm weird when I say that my motorcycle strategy is defined more by yoga and homeopathy than by anything else. But learning from yoga and homeopathy has taught me how to make a better motorcycle. So keep learning, read widely and with maximum curiosity. The second thing he said is keep reality first and theory last. Managers have to be very pragmatic. नहीं तो हम लोग के मीटिंग में तो क्या खाली ऊपर ऊपर की बातें होती है, तो यू हैव टू धरती पे आओ थोड़ा. So be very practical, be very pragmatic, keep reality first and theory last. The third thing he said is leave money and status out of it. Basically pursue excellence in what you do, not because money, value, valuations, market cap, मतलब market में टोपी लगाना, as we call it, and status, fame, name, nahi. Chase excellence, money and fame will chase you. The fourth thing he said is manage your identity. Know who you are and stand there. I won't take his name, but the famous story of the businessman who said to himself that because I make good beer, which gives people a high, I can also give them a high by starting an airline. And then you know what happened. So manage your identity. Apni औकात में रहो, अपने पतलून में रहो, as we say. So that's the fourth thing he said, which means focus, keep your focus. And finally, very important, I think, have skin in the game, which means commitment. I mean, if we say today that we are committed to the future, it's because we have skin in the game. We just put out in July the world's first CNG motorcycle. Nobody's done it before, with fantastic benefits in terms of pollution, congestion, running costs for the Aam Aadmi. And we are investing heavily behind our electric scooters and 3-wheelers. So, these are the kind of values I would like to believe that all of us at Bajaj, and hopefully my son too one day, will imbibe and exhibit.
Right.